Your Facebook account may be logged in on multiple devices without your knowledge, so it's crucial to regularly review and remove any unfamiliar sessions. So let's look how to check you're logged into Facebook. First of all, go and open Facebook app on your phone. Then click on Profile icon at bottom right corner. Next, click on Settings icon at the top. Scroll down to the bottom. Next, click on Activity Log under your Activity section. Next, click on Security and Login Information. Next, click on Where you are logged in. Here you'll see a list of devices where you're currently logged in, along with the last time you used Facebook from that device and its location. If you find any record suspicious, then click on 3 dots next to it. Next, click on Log Out. Then you will be automatically log out from that device. You can do for other as well. In this way we can find Facebook logged history and you can delete if found suspicious. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.